Building a digital product usually involves a long process. First, you write requirements, then you create user flow. After that, you design the interface, build prototypes, and finally hand everything over to developers. This workflow often requires multiple tools and a lot of back and forth communication. But what if AI could handle a large part of that process for you? That's exactly what Paraflow aims to do. It positions itself as an AI product design agent that can take an idea and turn it into specs, user flow, UI designs, prototype, and even front end code from a single workspace. But can it really replace your design workflow? Let's find out in this review. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best AI tools for building your business faster. If that sounds good to you, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers on Paraflow. By using the description link, any available free offers or discounts that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start with what Paraflow actually is. Paraflow is designed as an AI-powered product design platform that combines the roles of product manager and designer into one system. Instead of jumping between documentation tools, wireframing software, design platforms, and developer handoff tools, everything happens on a single canvas. The process starts with a simple idea. You describe your product, features, or business concept in a simple language. Paraflow then generates structured product requirements, user flows, screen plans, and interface concepts automatically. This can dramatically reduce the amount of planning work that required before a project even begins. One of the platform's biggest strengths is its unified workflow. Normally, product requirements, user journeys, prototypes, and design assets live in separate tools. This often creates confusion because updates made in one place may not be reflected elsewhere. Paraflow keeps these elements connected on a single canvas so the entire project remains aligned. Another interesting feature is AI generated PRDs. PRD stands for Product Requirements Document. Writing these documents can take hours, especially for founders and product managers. Paraflow helps generate structured requirements automatically, giving teams a much faster starting point. The platform also creates user flows and screen structure. Instead of manually mapping how users move through an application, Paraflow generates logical user journeys that can later be refined and customized. This is practically useful for startups and solo founders trying to validate ideas quickly. Now let's talk about the design generation. Paraflow can generate editable UI concept and high fidelity screens directly from project requirements. This allows users to move from idea to visual prototype much faster than traditional design workflows. While designers will still want to refine and polish the output, the AI provides a strong starting point. One feature that gets a lot of attention is code generation. After generating designs and prototypes, Paraflow can produce front-end code that developers can export and continue building upon. This helps reduce the gap between design and development. However, like most of the AI-generated code, it is best viewed as a starting point rather than a complete replacement for professional development work. Now let's discuss who should use it. Paraflow seems especially useful for startup founders, product managers, agencies, SaaS builders, and solo entrepreneurs. These users often need to move quickly from idea to prototype without hiring an entire product team. However, it is important to set realistic expectations. Can Paraflow completely replace experienced designers and product teams? Not entirely. Strategic thinking, user research, branding decisions, advanced UX design, and final product refinement still benefit from human expertise. AI can speed up the process, but it does not eliminate the need for professional judgment. So, what's the final verdict? Paraflow is one of the more interesting AI product design tools that are available today because it focuses on entire journey from idea to prototype instead of only generating images or mockups. The ability to create requirements, user flows, interface, prototypes, and development ready assets from a single canvas makes it especially appealing for fast moving teams and founders. If your goal is to reduce the time spent planning and designing new products, Paraflow is definitely worth exploring. It may not completely replace your entire design workflow, but it can certainly automate a large portion of it. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully this video helped you understand what Paraflow offers and whether it is the right tools for your workflow. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link from description for any available Paraflow offers. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.